All right. So, my name is Tiffany Brown. I am the Chief Equity and Implementation Officer for the City of Lexington, out of the Mayor's office, and I am pleased to welcome you all to our news conference today celebrating the 1 year anniversary of the Lexington Mobile Market. And so we're really excited to host everyone today. I see Councilmember Savigny here, and we have our partners who have worked with us for several years now to launch this, and now we're here to celebrate what has been accomplished through the Lexington Mobile Market. So we have, out of the 2020 report from the Racial Justice and Equity Commission, there was a recommendation to improve food options, increase food access, and improve healthy food options. And so that was a very vague recommendation because we knew that the food access in our community is something that really would improve health outcomes for um, individuals in marginalized communities who don't have access to grocery stores, um, but have access to convenience stores and things like that. And if we look at food as medicine, and we know that helping folks get the food, the fresh, healthy, affordable food that they need, we knew that we could improve our community for everyone. And so we have now we're celebrating this month the one year anniversary of the launch of the Lexington Mobile Market. And so I want to bring to you all some of our partners that have helped us along this journey, who have operated, who have stocked, who have worked very hard to make this mobile market a success in our community, and has been now, or is now, a model around the country for improving food access. And so I want to bring to the podium next John Rupp from God's Pantry Food Bank.
Good morning. I want to start by saying thank you to the staff and residents here at Emerson Center for allowing the Lexington Mobile Market to visit their community and to host our first anniversary event. The Lexington Mobile Market has been a big success in its first year due to the partnerships that have been created and strengthened between the Lexington Fayette County Urban Government, Kroger, and God's Pantry Food Bank. The other piece to that success has been the willingness and support of Lexington communities and neighborhoods that we visit and serve. So we have some data points to share to track the impact of the mobile market in its first year of service. Currently, the mobile market has 24 active sites that we are visited at least once per month. From December of 2023, so right after our start, to mid-October of 2024, the mobile market has visited a total of 46 different sites here in Lexington. During the same period, mobile market was just shy of $100,000 in total sales and saw 7,257 total transactions. So thanks to the acceptance of EBT and SNAP benefits as payment methods, over 30% of those transactions were paid for by using EBT and SNAP. The mobile market hit the ground running in December of 2023, but since then we've more than doubled its total sales on an average monthly basis. So we're seeing a lot more traction in the sites that we're visiting. Thank you once again to our partners and neighbors who made this project a great success. The Lexington Mobile Market has impacted many communities, neighbors, families, in its first year, and we're just picking up steam. We look forward to continuing to serve more and more Lexingtonians and expanding our reach. We always are looking for new neighborhoods and sites to visit and to try hosting the mobile market. If you want to inquire about hosting the mobile market, please contact myself, John Rupp, at God's Pantry Food Bank. Thank you again to our partners and neighbors that have allowed this project to reach fruition. And I'm going to turn it over to Jessica with Kroger.
As you heard from John, we could not do this without the partnerships. And so I know he didn't want to say anything, but definitely want to acknowledge Mike Halligan, CEO of God's Pantry Food Bank, who's here with us today. Do you want to have a? It can be a few words.
Tiffany, thank you. And thanks to all of you for being here today. Hunger across central and eastern Kentucky is growing by some 20% over the last 18 months. Demand is heavy, needs are great. What this mobile market does is it demonstrates the power of public private partnership to successfully help individuals access food. And this particular program is about providing resources in food deserts, often in locations where folks are limited in their ability for transportation, so that they have easy, convenient access to food. Roughly a third of the customers who use this market are on SNAP benefits, food stamps. And it provides an easy, convenient way to best use that benefit so that folks can thrive. And I just want to say thank you to all of the partners, Kroger, Lexington, Fayette Urban County Government, and the team at God's Pantry Food Bank that make this work. And I also want to say thank you to the public for supporting it, because that also helps make it work. And without the partnerships, without the community support, this market would not exist. And those who need to use the market for their benefit would not be able to, like the residents here at the Emerson Center. Thanks again for the great work over the past year. We look forward to doing this for a long, long time. Tiffany?
I lost my notes. Thanks so much, Mike. Um, very early on, when I came into government, these conversations started happening. It was, to me, it was low hanging fruit. It was something I knew we needed to do, was to meet the needs of individuals in our community. Again, like Mike said, this is an example of how public private partnerships have really made a difference in our community. We could not have done this. This would not be a success without the partnership that we have formed with Kroger as well. Their staff has been amazing, has been friendly, and been very helpful to help the customers um, to shop on the mobile market. So we have with us today Jessica Sharp, who is Kroger's corporate affairs manager. She's going to come to the podium next. Thanks, Jessica.
All right, thank you, Tiffany, and thank you to God's Pantry as well with Mike and John. And just want to come up here and briefly say, you know, at Kroger, our purpose is to feed the human spirit, and we do that not only by keeping our stores stocked with good and healthy and affordable foods, but also thinking of innovative ways to meet our customers and meet the community where they are. And really, that was a no-brainer when it came to the Lexington mobile market. And being able to stand up a storefront on wheels, multiple times a week within the community is really getting out there and meeting our customers where they are. And we so appreciate Lisa Ellis. She's our mobile market manager here for the Lexington mobile market, and all that she does to really support our customers and support our associates, we're really thankful for. And we're so thankful for the partnership with the City of Lexington with Tiffany. It has been really the perfect partnership when you think about getting out there and with that community outreach. It's been nothing but good and positive and successful, and really appreciate everything done there. And so with that, I'm going to pass this back to Tiffany.
Um, Thank you, Mike, Jessica, John, Stan, Lisa, everyone who makes this a success. Danielle, everyone who makes this a success and has put in so much time and effort and energy into serving our community. And again, to our mayor, council, and the administration, our fleet services department, they helped a lot on this as well. And so I would be remiss if we didn't mention all of those individuals who put in um, energy and their time and talent to making this a success. Um, well, now um, we I don't know if I didn't know if Jessica was going to announce it, but we have cake and we are giving away turkeys. So if you are here today and you're shopping on the mobile market, come and grab some cake with us, and we love to enjoy the fellowship with you all today. Thank you so much.